Hello friends, let's learn the alphabet with colors. Red color, pink color, purple color, sky color, blue color. Let's start. A for apple. Pink color. B for balloon. B for balloon, blue color. C for cat, red color. D for dog, sky color. E for egg, purple color. F for fish, yellow color. G for goat, pink color. H for house, blue color. I for ice cream, red color. J for jug, sky color. K for kite, purple color. L for light, yellow color. M for mango, pink color. N for nest, blue color. O for owl, red color. P for pumpkin, sky color. Q for queen, purple color. R for rabbit, yellow color. S for sunflower, pink color. T for tortoise, blue color. U for unicorn, red color. V for van, sky color. W for wall, purple color. X for xylophone, yellow color. Y for yak, pink color. Z for zoo, blue color. Okay friends, please like, share and subscribe to channel. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.